Hi, welcome to a video podcast. We're going to look now at using the screen annotate tool, which is very useful if you're working with other programs and you want to be able to write over anything that's on your computer. Just this button here, you can just see the squiggle over a window. You click on that, and then you've got the mouse pointer working as per usual. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the internet. I'm imagining that you're in a lesson scenario and you're working at the board and you want to navigate to something on the internet. Now obviously I'm sat at home and I've got a keyboard in front of me, but if you were working at college, then at the interactive whiteboard you wouldn't have necessarily have a keyboard, so I'm going to use the on-screen keyboard for this, because I think this is one of the situations where you might need to use the on-screen keyboard. To get to the on-screen keyboard from here, notice we've got no toolbars across the top of the screen there, but if we click on here you can see that the toolbar headings are there. So we go to Tools, More Tools, and On-Screen Keyboard, and up that leaps. Click in here and then we can search, or we could type in the URL up there. So I'm just going to look for something on Flickr. Okay, now we click on Flickr. We don't actually need the on-screen keyboard anymore, so I'll get rid of that in a moment. Okay, so the plan was I was just going to open one of my photos and then we could write something on it, just to sort of demonstrate what you might be up to in a lesson. So I'm just going to move that so we can scroll that, and then all these commands work as per normal. So you could be, I'm just going to make that a bit fatter. You could be saying to your students, obviously what we've got down here is the C. I'll just highlight the C part of the photo. I don't know, I suppose you might want to just write here that maybe they weren't sure what that is, so you could just write cloud. I mean, obviously the content is up to you. I'm merely directing you to how the tools work. Very important to get out of this mode. We just click here and we come out of desktop annotation and back into the flip chart. So we just do that and it's gone. Now one of the things you might be wondering is, what do I do if I wanted to record that? Then what you'd need to do is to go to Tools, Camera, and either take an area snapshot or a full screen snapshot. I don't think I'm in a position to be able to do that at the moment, because I'm already making a video and I came unstuck with that earlier. I think that the software can only do that once, really. So I'll just show you back. This is probably the single most important thing. The way to escape back to your original flip chart is just to click there. Thank you very much. Hope you found that useful.